So we're out in the Penrose single track. It's kind of like my second time riding out here. It's been some time, you know. Riding this stuff, it's been a while, and my confidence is definitely nowhere what it used to be. So it'll be pretty cool to track my journey, see some of my improvements and stuff like that. This is I believe the northeast side of the trail, or no, it's on the west side because the other one, the east side, is the harder one. Second day back to back on this trail, so let's see how I do. Still waddling a bit, but I'm keeping momentum at least. The one I don't like. A little better, I don't know, it's just coming over the ledge just kind of daunts me every time. So it will be really cool. It's crazy because I used to do all the harder stuff out here. The only one that I never really did was the waterfall. Hopefully it comes back to me. I remember this kind of stuff when you're first learning, or I remember being introduced to this rocky something. Like, it was fun, but at the same time, it's like, I don't know if I like this. Well, here we are, back at it again. And one of the things why I love the hard enduro stuff, or I don't know if this is really considered hard enduro, I guess moderate enduro. I mean, they got some hard enduro stuff in here if you choose that line, but it's definitely the workout, the cardio, and stuff like that. So, well, we'll keep tractoring on. This being stuck to my hands is a little distraction, but I definitely feel like I'm flowing through the trails a lot better. I'm definitely waddling quite a bit. You can kind of see the rocks here a little bit. I'm kind of coasting, you see? I'll do it on this one too. See how that one slipped a little bit? That rock is a little slick. A little tricky. The key is to keep momentum, even if you're waddling. As you're learning, bar pump. I'm a bit tired right now, but I'm pushing through. sitting down now. And we all know, you know, standing up preserves a lot of energy. But when you're not that confident, it's a whole different story. All right, here's another little tricky one. Oh, I just hit my head on that one.